In an era of cost optimization, inspection budgets are shrinking while audit and regulatory demands continue to rise. At the same time, aging assets are driving greater operational risk, while traditional inspection practices are adding complexity through subjective assessments, manual or paper-based reporting, and limited asset coverage. Even in these circumstances, asset integrity teams can enhance performance by centralizing critical data and leveraging advanced technologies that enable more confident inspection and maintenance decisions. Abyss Solutions' pressure system integrity management modernizes the way industries ensure mechanical integrity. AI-powered external corrosion analytics are layered into a centralized, cloud-based 3D platform, connecting your integrity teams and streamlining inspections. Abyss Fabric closes workflow gaps by reducing inspection scope generation time, improving engineering review efficiency by up to 50%, increasing the coverage and consistency of your inspections, and centralizing critical data. It empowers data-driven decisions across every asset, moving organizations away from fragmented spreadsheets, manual reports, and static PDFs. At the core of this technology is Abyss's AI supermodel, trained on more than 10 million images from diverse, real-world O&G assets worldwide. It delivers reliable visual corrosion insights, classifies corrosion severity, analyzes coating degradation in accordance with international or client-specific standards, and detects anomalies on pressure systems with millimeter-level accuracy. It leverages existing engineering documents, such as P&IDs, as-built CAD models and engineering drawings, to contextualize the digital 3D model. Each condition assessment is linked directly to its corresponding component, consolidating all relevant information and enabling clear, comprehensive reporting on a line-by-line or circuit-by-circuit basis. Inspection results can be viewed through interactive dashboards, downloadable PDF reports, and detailed exportable spreadsheets, all within a single platform. This enables seamless data exchange between Abyss Fabric and existing enterprise resource planning systems, keeping engineering, maintenance, and integrity teams aligned around a single source of truth. For an offshore asset in the Gulf of America, Abyss technology was implemented, resulting in an 80% reduction in GVI resource requirements, a $320,000 decrease in GVI spend, and the removal of 377 POB days. Timely inspections and proactive coatings, maintenance prevented LPOs and costly repairs, generating $1.05 million in savings by painting instead of replacing equipment, along with an additional $1.75 million reduction in disruptive maintenance and $700,000 in minimized downtime from loss of production incidents. Pressure system integrity management is just one part of the Abyss Integrity Suite, an expanded ecosystem of tools designed to bring full visibility, coordination, and smarter decision-making across all your inspection and integrity workflows. It can also be used to quickly fill the gaps on engineering documentation, such as 2D isometric drawing generation and P&ID redlining. Abyss Fabric empowers you to inspect, prioritize, and monitor asset condition, ensuring every detail is captured, assigned, and resolved with complete traceability, while giving you the ability to track and analyze anomalies over time and maintain control over critical cases. Modernize your mechanical integrity program to reduce risk of critical failures and loss of production. Explore pressure system integrity management with Abyss Fabric today.